To set an alarm on your Casio G-Shock, you will need to go on the alarm section over here. You can do that by pressing on the mode button until the light is turned on in front of alarm. So we now have reached the alarm part, but we have that hand that is in our scythe. So what we will do to get it off there is to press the light button and the mode button. This will move the end away. From here, I can hit the start button to see what there is into that menu. So as you can see, there is 4 alarm. There's the alarm 1, 2, 3, 4. There is the snooze that you can also enable. And there is the signal, which is that option over here. That is a beep at the beginning of every hour. Let's go back to the alarm 1, which is actually off and is set at midnight. If I want to turn it on, I will hit the reset button. So on, off, on, off. Move to alarm 2, I can set it to on or off. Same thing for alarm 2 or 3. For whatever, snooze, I can set it to on and off. And same thing for signal, I can set it to on and off. And the signal got that light under it, just like the snooze. Then, if I come back to the alarm 1 and I want to set a time to that alarm, I will press and hold the adjust button. And from here, I will be able to set the time. So if I wanted to, at 5, hit the mode button, 15. Well, here I have it. Press the mode button again. No, you can escape by pressing the adjust button. And the end always go back to its position when you exit that. So again, mode, light and mode to move the end so we can see clearly. So 5:15, was it on? Alarm 1 on. Want to disable it? Hit the reset button. So alarm 2 is off, alarm 3 is off, alarm 4 is on. Want to turn it off, hit the reset button. Want to turn it on again, press the reset button again. If you want to set a time on the snooze, same principle, you hit and hold the adjust button, and from here you can set the time of your snooze. When you're done, you hit the adjust button, and that's it. Now, if I want to go out of that, I can here hit the mode button, but visibly I still have an alarm that is enabled. Let's go see that alarm. There's the snooze that is on. There's the signal that is on. I want to disable that. Alarm off, alarm off, alarm off, alarm off. Snooze off. Well, because there was a snooze, the alarm was set to on. So this is how you set the alarm on the Casio G-Shock. I hope this video was helpful.